Dropshipping with no money is entirely possible if you know the right steps. First, choose a niche that excites you and has demand. Research trending products using tools like Google Trends or social media. Next, find reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo. They often allow you to list their products without upfront costs. Create a free online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Focus on building a strong brand identity, even on a budget. Use social media to promote your products. Instagram and TikTok are great for organic reach. Engage with your audience by sharing valuable content related to your niche. Leverage free marketing strategies like influencer collaborations or content marketing. Once you start making sales, reinvest your profits into paid ads to scale up. Remember, success in dropshipping is about persistence and learning from your mistakes. Stay adaptable, and you can turn this low-cost venture into a profitable business.